everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to take you guys on a tour of my living room. So I posted it before about 6 months ago, and I just never got around to uploading another video. It might have been longer than 6 months actually. But regardless, I'm here today to show you guys the after. I love how my living room turned out. When we move into our house, hopefully we have a bigger living room, but for now, this just turned out to be exactly how I wanted it. I have the furniture that I want, I have the TV stand that I want, the TV looks great above the TV stand, it's all coming together very nicely. And I'm really glad that I was able to make this living room the way that it was and to make the memories that we have now. This has been an amazing place. We are in it for 1 more year. And I'm just very excited to share that with you guys, and I'm so happy you guys have joined me on this journey of just, moving out. And that's why the channel is Journey to Move. I will eventually change it, but since we are moving in another year, it's still going to be Journey to Move, so that's great. But I hope you guys like this video. I'm just going to show you guys. So the first thing is obviously the couch. The couch we got on sale for about $1,600, I believe. It was a clearance summer sale event, so that couch was originally $2,500. So we got it for a steal. I'm really glad we went when we did. Well, I was looking around Ashley's furniture store, and I honestly wasn't even expecting to buy a couch. I knew that we wanted a couch, but I wasn't expecting it. And then we talked about finance options and everything, and we decided to go ahead and buy this. We are now proud owners of the couch. We paid it off in full. I think there was $900 left on the card, and we paid off in full last month, so very happy. We also paid off our mattresses because we financed those as well. So we now own 2 mattresses and a couch completely outright. The only other debt we have is our car right now, and I'm trying to pay that down, but at the same time, the most important thing is our house savings. So that's my main focus. But regardless, we'll just get started. I'm done yammering on. So yeah, this is our couch. It's beautiful. It's a sectional. We have a laying down piece of the couch, and then we have a love seat is what it's called, and then we have the actual couch. So this is the part where I was saying that it's like a chase, and then you have the actual love seat, which is those two, and then this part is the couch. So it's a U-shaped sectional, and it's definitely what I wanted. We also have this ottoman from Big Lots. I got it for $10, $17, somewhere in between that. I don't really remember. Over here we have a little side table, end table, whatever it's called, and then we have a basket that I got from TJ Maxx, and in it we just have a couple of different blankets. Sorry about the lighting, hopefully it gets better. Okay, but yeah, we have 3 different blankets. 2 of them, these 2 I got for Christmas for my aunt and uncle 2 different years, and then this one I got from TJ Maxx. And I believe these are both from Brookstone. So, yep. And then this basket, like I said, is from TJ Maxx. And underneath the end table, I can show you guys, we actually have a little cat scratcher for a cat. So that's what she scratches on, and not the couch. And then also that pillow is normally flipped upside down, but there's a lot of cat hair, so I wanted to, put it upside so that you guys don't see it. But that's where the cat sleeps most of the time when she's out here. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. That's our dining room, which is currently Jacob's little office area. And that's our kitchen. So above here we do have our TV. It is a 49-inch LG 4K TV. Love it. You guys can see my reflection in it, but yeah, so that TV is pretty great, very good picture quality. And then down here we have a lot of greenery, fake plants over there. We have a Bath & Body Works candle right there, a thankful sign from TJ Maxx, a little photo frame of pictures of Maddie, and then in that little corner right there, that's a picture from Halloween. with all three of us. And then we also have some candles to add a little bit of texture. And then, yes, it has barn doors, guys. Like, I am so happy. I think we paid like $2.96 or something like that for this. And here we just have our cable box, our Nintendo Switch. We have our remotes down there, as well as, I guess, a glass cleaner. And then way below is our internet boxes and everything. And then over here, I like to call this Jacob's cabinet. Just because we have his Xbox, his accessories for the Xbox and Nintendo Switch. And then below is all candles, and yes, it does stretch all the way back. There's probably like 5 rows of 4, so yeah, got a lot of candles. We love candles. And then next to it, we have books on the top, and then we just have a snowball fight that we got for Christmas. It's just basically cotton balls. And yeah, that's everything that's in our TV stand currently. I love this thing. It's very nice and decorational. So yeah, there's that. And I guess the last part of this tour, also Jacob's old computer. He did recently get a new one, and he likes to build them. So he has that. Out here is a view of the lake. You guys probably can't see it that good. But yeah, this is our view of a lake, and also Maddie has some stickers. And obviously we haven't cleaned these in a while, so we definitely need to, but yeah. And then this is our little patio. Obviously we don't sit out here very much. It's too small for us, so we just don't. Then up here we do have some pictures. We have this flower and then 2 like script photos, and then also we have this little picture frame with pictures of us. So yeah. Hey guys, so that's the end of this tour. I really wanted to just show you guys how the living room ended up turning out. I'm sorry that it was so far from the last one. And if you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up. And definitely look for the link below for my before living room tour. And that was with a couch that we got handed down to us, and a TV stand that was completely different from this one that I think was like $30. It was super cheap. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys later.